We are on the cusp of earnings season. A lot of these companies, estimates have been coming down for the third quarter. How much is the strong dollar going to hurt these numbers?
Well, it certainly depends on what you do. So if you make a lot of things in dollars and you've been selling them in foreign currencies, when you translate that back into dollars, that's going to affect your earnings. So that's the FX effect. Probably not as marked in the third quarter as it will be for guidance for the fourth quarter. So I think we'll be looking out for that quite a bit. Now, understanding this has been about 11 or 12 weeks in a row that we've seen significant strength in the dollar. We haven't seen this kind of strength this consistently for about 40 years. So this is certainly something to keep an eye out for, and I'd really pay close attention to those companies that talk about their fourth quarter guidance and perhaps take it down because of the currency effect.
All right, so we'll be listening a lot to what they say about what's going on right now. What sectors are most vulnerable?
Well, if you look at the S&P 500, for instance, about 40% of the revenues in the S&P 500 come from offshore, and a good majority of those come from Europe. So we're concerned about a couple things at the same time. One of the reasons there is a stronger dollar is because we have divergent economic growth right now. We have a stronger economy in the U.S. than we're seeing in the Eurozone. So if you're dependent on sales into the Eurozone, think of technology companies, certainly think of healthcare companies, medical device companies, and for sure one of the hardest hit industries I would say right now because of the dollar is the energy complex.